So if you're like us and not an avid Disney park goer, or you're looking at planning your first trip to Disney World, then you're probably wondering, what the heck is this Genie Plus pass that you continue to hear about? Well, you're in luck because in this week's video, we're going to give you the full download on everything you need to know about Genie Plus. Cue the intro.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So first things first, we must clear up what is Disney Genie versus Genie Plus. So Disney Genie is the free planning tool app built into the Disney World app. This free function basically makes a virtual itinerary based on your criteria or selected experiences and attractions that you want to see. So it builds out a timeline of things that you want to see and posts the wait times associated for those attractions and or rides. So this can be particularly useful, and again, it's a free service, but it's different than Genie Plus. So then what is Genie Plus? Well, Genie Plus actually replaced the Disney Fast Pass, if any of you guys are familiar with that. And so this is the paid version that allows you to enter into the Lightning Lane. What is Lightning Lane? Well, Lightning Lane allows you to bypass the standby line and gets you right to the front of the attraction. So essentially, you're not waiting at all. So a couple key things to note about Genie Plus: not all rides and attractions have the capability for a Lightning Lane, so that is something that you must consider, but it does easily depict it on the Disney World app on which ones have it and which one doesn't. So it should also be noted that with the Lightning Pass, you can only select one every 2 hours. So if you select one right at 8 o'clock, the next availability for you to select and gain another Lightning Pass wouldn't be till 10 a.m. So it is a little bit of coordination on when you can grab that next Lightning Lane pass, because that's going to be important when planning out your itinerary. And so if you want to learn more about how to plan out your itineraries at Disney World, click that red subscribe button, because we got some really cool itineraries coming your way, and how we accomplish all 4 parks in 48 hours, missing no rides and having no wait. So then the last and final question you probably have is, how much is Genie Plus and is it worth it? Well, Genie Plus is $20 per person per day. So for our family of 4, $80 for the entire day, and it was highly worth it in our opinion. Why? We went on Memorial Day jam-packed, and this allowed us to get into the rides that we wanted to ride. Also allowed us to get into the AC of those attractions, so we weren't standing outside getting fried by the sun, and really made for a nice, memorable experience. And what it also helped us do is accomplish the big feat of doing 4 Disney World parks in 48 hours. Hit that subscribe button if you want to know how we did that. And so there you guys have it, a little bit of a brief tutorial on Genie Plus and why we think you should use it. And so if you like this video, please consider giving us that thumbs up. Comment down below, what did we miss or what should we add about Genie Plus? Because again, we're not avid Disney park goers, and there's certainly some out there that can help provide more information. And so as we work on giving you more travel tips and planning advice, we thought this was relevant content and really helped us in our recent Disney World experience. And so if you want to see more of that Disney World experience or more of our adventures and travel tips, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. So I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on?